Electron microscopes are very special instruments. They are quite expensive. You need a lot of experience, a lot of competence to operate them. That's why we are a central facility and we work together with many different scientific disciplines at RWTH Aachen. We characterize new materials for information technology, for quantum information, for energy materials, batteries, but even down to things like new steels for automobile engineering. If you want to characterize a material or a device, you have to do this at different length scales, from the macroscopic part to the internal microstructure, and in many cases even down to the atomic scale. And that's why we operate different categories of instruments. We have scanning electron microscopes, where we can put in whole parts and characterize a device or characterize the internal structures. We even have a large chamber SEM, where we can put in very big things like a whole engine blocks. But then if we go down in the length scales, we come to the nanometer scale, maybe even to the atomic scale, and then we need transmission electron microscopes. As a student, you can do your bachelor thesis, your master thesis, but in particular your PhD thesis at our facility. You will be introduced to the operation, how to operate these instruments and then how to apply them in specific cases. Let me just mention one example from physics. We're working very strongly on the development of new neuromorphic computers, neuromorphic memories, chips which work like the human brain. And to find out what happens in these chips if you switch them, you need electron microscopy to study the phenomena and to learn about the physics which is going on.